Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to update your MacBook to Sonoma version of iOS. Um, and it's of course pretty simple to do, but it will take some time, so definitely make sure to put a few hours on your day for this update. Maybe it will take like 10 minutes, but sometimes it takes a lot. So what you gotta do is go to system settings or system preferences. After that, you're gonna go to general and you're gonna click software update. And as you can see, you can upgrade now to Mac OS Sonoma. It's 7 gigabytes. And what you will have, you can read what they are offering. So video conferences, widgets, Safari and passwords, messages, gaming. So game mode gives games the highest priority on the CPU. Keyboard, so they improved autocorrect accuracy. Some AirPods features, also privacy, accessibility. And you can also read some features on their website. And yeah, guys, that's how you do it. You basically click on upgrade now, and your computer will update and restart and so on. So I'm just not gonna click on this one because I'm recording right now, but basically you click on that, and after that you will see that your Mac OS Sonoma is upgraded. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.